Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Evie and today I'm going to unbox and review for you this Ysl Icare Maxi shopping bag in Raffia. Thanks to this company called Shebag, who kindly gifted me this handbag so I can give you my honest opinion. The details of this seller you will find on my comment section and on my description box. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. So this is how it came. As you see, this is the dust bag. It says Ysl Icare. The material feels like cotton material, but a very thick cotton, guys. So this is gorgeous. Let me remove the bag from here. Okay. And going back to the dust bag, as I said, it feels very durable, so I'm in love with this. And here we have our beauty. She is so gorgeous. She's like the perfect beach bag. As you see, it comes very well protected on the hardware part. And here you can see this tag that says Ysl Icare with the description of the handbag. So nice. And next to it you can find this little sample of the leather material that was used for this bag, which you can find on the tags here all around the hardware. As you see, she is so gorgeous. As I was saying, the hardware comes very well protected. So let me start with this. I will start removing this plastic cover so you can have a look at the hardware. So this is a bronze toned hardware. As you see, so gorgeous, guys. And the leather is around it. So shiny, as you see. And this is a tan leather around the hardware. As you see, it matches exactly with the sample that you find here. So the color is tan. So beautiful. Very good. So I must say that Shebag really cares about the quality of their products, as you see. So I'm so happy with this. Now here we have the tag, so I'm going to remove this so I can show you other parts of the bag in detail. Okay, so once we remove this, as you see, this is part of the hardware where you put the little detachable chains that I will show you in a moment. So this is one of the detachable chains that you find. And around the hardware you can see that it says Ysl Icare. So let me show you how you can transform this bag into a different look. So you just attach part of this chain on here, and this is it. That's how you change the look of this bag. So it looks kind of a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, where you have that option to change it for a different style. So for me, this is perfect for going to the beach and to look so stylish, guys. I'm so in love with this. Look at her. Now I'm going to remove this little strap. So now you see here on the inside we have this little tag that says Ysl Icare Paris, made in Italy. And under it you can find a serial code number, and it says made in Italy. This is very spacious, as you see on the inside. And here we have this little pouch that came with the bag. So gorgeous, guys, look at it. And this is the hardware. It comes well protected with this plastic too, so I'm going to remove it. And look at how shiny this is. So gorgeous. And on the back you find this little tag that says Saint Laurent Paris. Let me open this to show you what else we find. So here you have this little pocket, and on the inside too you have another big pocket and this Yves Saint Laurent card. And here you find another tag that says Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. So here you can put easily your phone or your wallet. And this is another detachable chain that I will show you how you can attach to the bag. Okay, so let me close this. And this is a chain, so beautiful. I love this brownstone of hardware, guys. Now I'm going to attach this little pouch on the inside of the bag, so you can see how I attach the strap on it. And this is how I put it. And there you have it. This is a very nice way of attaching this little pouch to the bag. That way you don't lose it. So gorgeous. And it feels so spacious on the inside. Now I'm going to put this on the inside. And let me move this chain here. Okay, I'm going to separate it from the bag. And yeah, as you see, the hardware is amazing, guys. Behind the big YSL logo, you find here that is made of a leather material, of that tan color leather, which is nice, guys. So it feels very durable on the inside and very luxurious. So you can feel so stylish when going to the beach. For holiday season, this is perfect, guys. I really love this. And I was looking forward to do this unboxing so I can show you in detail how amazing this product looks. And you can see every detail. The hardware is amazing. So beautiful. So I highly recommend Shebag company for this, really. All the details, once again, you will find there on my description box and on my comment section if you are interested in getting this product, guys. I don't get paid for this, but it's just my honest opinion, and I'm so in love with this bag, which I got gifted from Shebag. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I will see you next time on another exciting unboxing where I will share my love for handbags and everything about luxury. Thank you. Bye-bye.